Hello friends, welcome to Logistic Regression in Python. Classification. This is a classification problem. A classification is a division or category in a system which divides things into a group or types. Logistic regression is also a kind of classification. Classification is very important area of supervised learning. Most of the machine learning problems fall within this area. Logistic regression is one of them by which we can solve problem. There are many classification methods also, by which we will discuss later on my other tutorial video. So, what is logistic regression? Logistic regression is a machine learning classification algorithm that is used to predict probability of categorical data or dependent variable. Logistic regression is a supervised machine learning algorithm used to predict the probability of target variable. In this, there would be only two possible classes like 0 or 1, yes or no, true or false, etc. We can have more than two probabilities also, but in this tutorial we will cover only two. Logistic regression belongs to group of linear classification and is like polynomial and linear regression. Logistic regression is fast and relatively not complicated, and it is convenient for you to interpret the result. This is one of the important algorithm for binary classification. It can also be applied to multi-class problem. Now here we have a scenario where we will have a probability of 0 or 1 means customer will buy our product or not. Here we can see in this graph salary and action. Here we can see as higher the salary, we have higher the chance customer will buy our product, which we have indicated as 1. 1 means yes, 0 means no. Similarly, we can use classification where we need to decide email is spam or not, win or loss, apple or banana, positive or negative comments, etc. So here salary is a variable, action is also a variable, but salary is independent variable and action is dependent variable which depends on salary. As previously I told you that as the salary goes high, our chance of product goes high. So independent variable, also called inputs or predictors, don't depends on other features of interest. We can have more than one independent variable. From the combination of some important independent variable, we decide our dependent variable, which is called output. So dependent variable is action, which depends on salary. So also called output or response depend on the independent variable. Hmm. In this graph, salary is independent value and action is dependent variable. We can see here salary increase. We have higher chance that customer will buy our product. Action is action is dependent variable. So here is the formula of regression. Logistic regression, where p indicates as a sigmoid function, p equals to 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus y, where y is a y-axis variables. So here we will decide the probability. We Here we have some points. In point 1 we have a probability of customer to buy our product or not is 0.5%, which is very low. So we can say this the salary of this employee will not buy our product, so we will send it to 0. Similarly, point 2 have a less probability, so this person is also not going to buy our product. Similarly, point 3 and etc. Here now point 4 and point 5 we have a higher probability. And we also can see the in graph we have a higher salary x variable, so we have a higher probability or higher chance that customer will buy our product. So that's how we decide. So to solve this problem, we will go to a Jupyter notebook. For data set, let's go to a UCI machine learning repository on Google. Here UCI machine learning repository. Let's go to this. We will download a data set here. We'll go to view all data sets. Now we can see where there we have many kind of data. You can use it. Now this data is also category, like we are solving classification problem. So let's go to a classification. Here we will go to this data. Please download this data and we will meet in another tutorial video. Till then, goodbye.